2025 Hummer H2, a vehicle that's set to make waves in the world of off-roading and performance. With its bold design, cutting-edge technology, and impressive capabilities, the Hummer H2 is back, and it's better than ever. Let's take a closer look at what makes this iconic SUV a true game-changer. Exterior design. The 2025 Hummer H2 stays true to its roots while embracing modern design elements. At first glance, the H2 maintains its rugged and muscular stance, with an aggressive front grille, wide body lines, and distinctive LED lighting. The redesigned LED headlights give it a futuristic feel, while the squared-off wheel arches and chrome accents add to its powerful presence on the road. This vehicle is all about making a statement, and it certainly delivers. One of the most notable changes is the integration of a fully electric powertrain, allowing the H2 to shed its gas-guzzling past while keeping its imposing size and stance. The Hummer H2's massive 22-inch wheels paired with off-road tires ensure that it's ready for any terrain, and with adaptive air suspension, the ride quality remains comfortable even on the roughest surfaces. Interior and luxury. Step inside, and the 2025 Hummer H2 doesn't disappoint. The cabin offers a luxurious and spacious experience, with premium materials and high-end finishes throughout. Whether you're looking for comfort or practicality, the H2 has it all. The front seats are designed for both support and style, while the rear seats offer ample legroom and comfort for passengers. In terms of technology, the Hummer H2 comes fully equipped with an advanced infotainment system. The large touchscreen display provides easy access to navigation, media, and vehicle settings. Smartphone integration with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto ensures that you stay connected on the go. The 360-degree camera system and off-road navigation software are also included to make tackling tough terrain a breeze. Engine and performance. The 2025 Hummer H2 is not just about looks, it's built for performance. Powered by an all-electric platform, the H2 boasts impressive power figures. With a dual-motor setup and over 1,000 horsepower, this beast can accelerate from 0 to 60 mph in under 3 seconds, an astonishing feat for a vehicle of its size. But it's not just about speed. The Hummer H2 is designed to dominate off-road. Its air suspension system can raise the vehicle to an extreme height for better ground clearance, while its four-wheel drive system and torque vectoring ensure that it can tackle any trail. With features like crab mode, where the vehicle can move diagonally, the H2 truly redefines what's possible in an off-road SUV. Conclusion. The 2025 Hummer H2 is more than just a revival of a classic. It's an evolution of everything we loved about the original, combined with cutting-edge electric technology and an unmatched level of performance. Whether you're looking for a vehicle that can handle the toughest trails, or simply want to turn heads on the street, the H2 is the SUV for you. Thanks for tuning into CarCraft, and don't forget to subscribe for more updates on the latest in the automotive world.